Home and Wealth, sponsored by Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending.
Sunday, we honor those who served in the United States Armed Forces. And if you're a veteran who's about to sign something other than a VA loan for a new house, put down the pen. Mortgage expert Rodney Anderson is here to tell you why the VA loan could be a much better option. Good morning.
Good morning, Jane.
Nice to have you with us. Who is eligible for a VA loan?
Well, first of all, VA loans are one of the greatest loans and most underutilized loans. But who is eligible? Anybody that has served 4 years of active duty, anybody that was in the reserves for at least 6 years, or if you were during wartime, then it's a 90 days of active duty, and you have to be during wartime. And then also if you're a surviving spouse. And what that means is if your spouse died in combat, then you are potentially eligible for a VA loan as well.
Okay, it can be difficult to come up with a down payment. What are the down payment requirements for a VA loan? Yeah,
why so many use them is no money down up to a loan amount of $453,100.
Okay.
But Jane, we also have VA loans all the way up to $700,000. Now, you have to put a down payment down, and it's not very big, but I just had a client close on a $600,000 purchase. The down payment was significantly less than any other loan, and there are some great benefits for doing VA loans.
Interesting. So what are the credit score requirements for a VA loan?
It's a great question, and one of the things that's important, it's got to be a mortgage FICO score, not your credit card FICO score, not your Credit Karma, mortgage FICO score.
Okay.
But you have to have at least a 620 credit score. And what I tell people is let us look at your credit. Pulling credit does not hurt your credit. Okay, late payments and maxed out credit cards hurt your credit the most.
Okay, so another important question, how long does it take the buyer to close on a VA loan? A lot of people are concerned about that because it can take a long time sometimes.
Yeah, a lot of realtors are out there and they get really frustrated because many companies are 45 to 60 days. Here's what I tell people. My goal is to get them done in 15 days. By rules of the VA, I've got to give the VA appraiser 10 business days in order to get that appraisal back to me.
Right.
So it's anywhere from 15 to 20 days, and that's it. So there's some great opportunities out there. Veterans should be out looking right now.
So just out of curiosity, do you see a lot of people doing VA loans?
Yeah, right now it's about 10% of our business. So 1 out of every 10 people are doing VA loans. This month right now, Jane, it's about 14% of our business. So we're seeing a big pickup. It's a great loan. Now do remember though, you will have some closing costs even though the down payment is zero, and you will have to set up an escrow account. So you will need some money unless you can negotiate with the seller. But right now is a wonderful opportunity because home values have come down just a little bit. And so we've seen more veterans getting under contract than we've seen in a very long time.
Good information for people.
Yeah,
Thank you, Rodney.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jane. VA loans are so useful for people. Get out there and look at these loans.
Good stuff. Thank you. Rodney's office is on Preston Park Boulevard in Plano. If you have questions, give him a call, 1-800-EXPRESS, or check out his website, which is rodneyanderson.com.
Behind